So after you have found your wallet with the amount you want to start with, the level you want to start with, the next thing is for you to activate your account and also upgrade your level. I hope you get right. So the next thing is for you to click on this explore area. So click on it like this. So for you to activate your account, you will need an ID link, which is also called referral link. So it will come with this video also. You just need to locate it around down, activation link. So once you get that, just need to copy it. So I've already copied mine. Just paste it here. You can see my own is showing history, right? The reason it's showing history is because I've already activated a lot of accounts, but your own may not be showing like this. All what you need to do is just for you to paste the link here. Just long press like this and paste it. So after that, after you paste it, another charge bar will pop up like this. You can see this charge bar, right? So just click on it like this and type OBBBNB. You can see, right, OBBBNB. So after you type OBBBNB, click on it like this. Something like this will pop up. All what you need is just for you to remove it like this because it's a blockchain language. Remove it like this. You can see, right? But so before you click on this register, I would advise you to go through this ID again. This ID is the ID that you copy for the person that shared this video with you. I hope you get right. So you can see my ID, right? 5381746. You can see, right? Just need to click on this register like this. Just click on confirm. Just input your fingerprint or your password. I hope you get right. So as you can see, this account have successfully activated. You can see, right, the rank is beginner. So you can see, right. So the next thing is for you to upgrade your level. So just click on this package. Under this package, click on this influencer achiever. So I want you to know something, that you need to click on this influencer first before you click on this achiever. What I mean is that if you want to click on achiever like this, as you can see, you can't click. You need to click on this influencer first and click on achiever. You can see something upgrade. So this is the BNB you'll be needed for you to upgrade. Just click on it like this, upgrade, and you're able to upgrade. But let's assume you want to upgrade to level 10. So you just need to click on it like this. So I hope you get, no matter level you want to upgrade to, just need to click on it and you'll be added to the BNB needed for you to go to that level. So this is level 10, right? The echo rank. Just click on it like this. So and it will be upgrade together. Depending on the package you come in with. So if you want to upgrade to achiever, this is what you need to do, because this is the achiever we found on this wallet. Just click on the influencer and achiever. So the next thing is for you to just click on this upgrade. I hope you get right. So you will need to input. So after you click on this upgrade, you just need to input your password or your fingerprint. So after you have done that, your rank will be showing something like this, achiever. Your rank must be an achiever. So after you have activated your account, I hope you get right. Depending on the level you want to activate. So the minimum we normally recommend is level 3. For you to earn fast. I hope you get right. We'll be showing achiever like this. So the next thing is for you to know how to log in. So but before you go there, I want you to know that if you come here as an investor, you will need to copy this your user ID. So just copy this your user ID and paste it to the person, your team leader over there. Hope you get right. Just copy it. If I'm the one that refer you direct, just copy this your ID like this. So once you copy it, you just need to send it to me. I hope you get right. And for you to only have access to your account like this, it's just the same process. I hope you get right. So once you click on this explore area like this, your link will be showing history like this. You just need to click on it, and also make sure you always type OBBBNB. So type it like this and it will take you to your account. Hope you get right. So make sure you just need to remove this one. This is your account. You always show your account like this. So this is how you can have access to your account always. This is how you'll be logging into your account.